Now we are talking about escape characters. Escape characters, we say, for example, to insert, for example, the character that are illegal in a stream, whatever character which is illegal, for example, in a stream. To insert this kind of character, we use an escape character. For example, escape character is also, for example, new line character like /n for new line, for example. For example, an escape character is a backslash followed by a character you want to insert. Like a backslash in a string is illegal. So for example, for that purpose we use, for example, an escape character, whatever character is illegal in a string. For example, you will get an error if you use double quote inside a string by a double quote. You are the so-called Viking, so that will get you an error because a double quote inside a double quote. For that we use an escape character. We are so-called sketch that. So now we say, for example, Viking will come. These are some of the most important escape characters: single quote, backslash. So for example, single quote, you use backslash and single quote. Backslash single for just a backslash, and for new line, carriage return, for tab, backspace, something like that. But the most important one is /n, /t, and these two. So that was the escape character. After escape characters, we are in Python Boolean. What is the Boolean value? A bool take only one. We say, for example, that either is 0 or 1, or it's either 0, for example, for false, 1 for true. The Boolean take two values, which is either false or true. You can execute any expression in Python and get one of these answers. Either it is true, either it is false. For example, we have three statements. Print 10 is, we say, for example, greater than 9. That is the first. Print 10 is equal to 9, and then we have print 10 is less than 9. So at the first we say, for example, it is true. The second are false. We have true, false. Any expression can be evaluated to either true value. These are the Boolean values. Either it is true or either it is false. Print a message based on whether the condition is true or false. If, for example, to value a is equal to 200, b is equal to 33, then we have, for example, a condition if b is greater than a. What we have to write here is print b is greater than a. But we say, for example, else and else condition, we have else or else we can write, for example, if it is multiple else, b is not greater than a. So if we run it, we say, for example, then we say, for example, b is not greater than a because a is 200 and b is 233. So we say, for example, for either it's evaluated to a true or false, we use these sentences. Evaluating a string in a number. For example, we have print Boolean hello, print ball 15. We evaluate, we say, for example, those value, and then we say, for example, two variables are given. For example, x is hello, y is 15. Either it is Boolean value x or y, for example. So we say, for example, both of these are, for example, because we evaluate a string and we evaluate, for example, a number. So both of these, we say, for example, are true. So the most important part, we do not go deep into this method. The most important part is that Boolean take only two values, either it's true or either it's false. Even if you, for example, a is equal to true, for example, that's a Boolean value, or if a function can be evaluated to either a true value or false value. Like, for example, in this part, this evaluated to else part because we say, for example, this function is false, b is not greater than a, so that's the false value. So that's why else part is printed in this part, not the if part. So after that, we are talking about the Python operators. We have unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. Like conditional operator is the ternary operator in Python that take 3 operand. Binary operator take 2 operand, unary operator take 1 operands. So operators are used to perform operation on variables and values. So that's, for example, this is a addition operator and it take two operand. One operand is 10, in the other operand is 5. 10 plus 5, that's